everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's having a wonderful Friday. Today it's very sunny here in southern Ontario, but it's cold. It's actually quite a few degrees colder than it was yesterday. Yesterday was nice and mild, not today. But I'm sure you're not here to hear about the weather. So today I decided to share a small but very good couponing haul. So everything you see right over here was $3. So if you want to know how you too can get this for $3, please keep on watching. Okay guys, so let us start off with this. So this is the Tia Rosa Fajita kit. They also have the taco kit available. So this is currently at Food Basics for $2.99. I did price match as I don't have really a Food Basics near me. So $2.99. Checkout 51 currently has a $3 cashback offer on either the fajita kits or the taco kits. So that would make this kit absolutely free. So there you go. Free fajitas, free tacos. You can't beat it. Over here to my left, we have the Bounce. So these are the smaller packages. These are 15 sheets. And oh boy, they smell wonderful taking them out of the bag. I just love Bounce sheets. So these are currently at Fresco for $1 each. And there are two ways to get the coupons. Either on smartsource.ca or from the most recent insert. So you save $3 when you buy two. I believe it's two Bounce products or two Gain products or two Tide products or what have you. So I obviously opted for the Bounce. So you save $3 when you buy two. I bought four. So not only were these Bounce free because they were $1 each, they were also a 50-cent moneymaker per box, or for every 2 boxes, $1 moneymaker. So by buying with the 4 boxes, I got them for free, plus I made $2, which I could apply to the remainder of my groceries. So, okay, who doesn't do laundry? Who doesn't use Bounce sheets? And who doesn't love free? Yeah, this girl here does. Okay. So behind the Bounce, we have the Betty Crocker cake mixes, and these are on sale at both locations, be it Fresco or No Frills, and they are on for $1 each. Just keep in mind, I actually made the error of buying the, you can see that Super Moist. The coupon does exclude the Super Moist. I didn't notice that. Neither did the cashier, but it was an honest mistake. But it is just for the regular Betty Crocker. So just make sure you're purchasing the correct type. And the coupons were found at Walmart. I will show you what it looks like. It was a page with multiple coupons. So it was a 50-cent coupon. I forgot to mention that. So each cake mix was 50 cents, and you can't go wrong with that. I mean, these sell at Dollar Tree, Dollarama for $1.25 or Dollarama $1.50, $2 maybe. So 50 cents, absolutely, I'm going to purchase that. And lastly, I purchased these Nature Valley granola bars. I purchased several kind. I made sure to purchase the ones that had no peanuts, or some of them with no peanuts, because those would be lunch friendly for Isabella. As you can see there, the no peanut sign, because at her particular school we're not allowed to, it is a peanut free environment. So I made sure to purchase some that are peanut free and some for myself here that are dipped in peanut butter, because I love peanut butter. Anyways, you don't want to hear about my likings. You want to know how much I paid for them. So they are currently on sale at No Frills for $1. Yes, you heard me, $1. That in itself is a great deal. These retail for, I believe it's like $3.50. So $1, fantastic deal. But you know I didn't pay $1. On that same coupon page as the Betty Crocker cake mix, there's also a coupon for 50 cents. So that brought down the Nature Valley granola bars to 50 cents per box. So I did purchase 6 of those. And I forgot to mention that I purchased 4 of the Betty Crocker cake mixes. By doing the math, this entire haul came out to $3. And yes, you too can take advantage of these sales. It's not too late. Most of these sales only began today. So these are definitely start the car deals, as I like to put it. Anyways, I hope you enjoy it. I hope I'm saving you a little bit of money to replenish your stockpile or to begin your stockpile, because these are treats that your whole family can enjoy, or laundry that we all need to do laundry, or have a family fajita night, what have you. So again, I hope I'm saving you a little bit of money. And again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your support. And like always, I will talk to my next video. And who knows, we might have a video sooner than later. Anyways, bye guys. Love you. We'll talk very soon.